So this is group 6. Here is the introduction of using the technology as a teaching tool. So our target is focusing on how to let the higher grade student have a better experience of learning math. And there's like 3 methods, and we are going to talk about it in the following video.
For my part, I want to introduce how Kahoot game as a technology benefit teachers and students. Kahoot is a tool that delivers and presents questions to students. It is set up as a game that students can play either individual or in group. First, I will show you how to find the resources for teachers. If you can sign in your teacher side, you can find over here. You can create your own Kahoot or click discovery part button, and there's a lot of other people's Kahoot. So I just select one and you click start, and it's over here. So for the student, how Kahoot works, you just enter the pin in the kahoot.it, and you click start and enter your name. It will show on the board, and the teacher will click start to have the competitions. So we here. Yeah, like so yeah, there's like questions over here, and you can prepare it, and there's the timer over here, and you can click the answer you think is right, and it will shows the correct or wrong over here. And there's also a scoreboard, and if you like answer it very fast, the score will be higher. So why teachers should use Kahoot as a tool for like teaching higher grades? So first, it could like teacher could use a tool as an introduction, and or it could help with the definition or some terminology in math. Also, it could pull over students' opinions, and also there's like a review stuff for the students.
Video blog is a technology that can be introduced into IA's math classroom. Sometimes students are not interested in learning math because they feel math is irrelevant in daily lives. Video blog can help students find this connection and stimulate their interest in learning math. Let's use the topic of grade 9 financial literacy to illustrate. Let's say we are teaching the concept of inflation. We can ask students to observe and record the price changes of their favorite goods or services. They can then share their findings and thoughts through video blogs. They can make and edit through their preferred apps such as iMovies or etc. Blogging gives students the opportunity to share their ideas with a wide audience. This gives students the ability to collaborate with each other, but also individuals around the world. Many students may feel more comfortable sharing thoughts and ideas through vlogging because they do not see all the eyes watching them answering the question. Vlogging allows students to share ideas and demonstrate knowledge without text, as not all the students are grade writers. Students can use a vlog to make a portfolio to showcase their work over a period of time. Vlogs allows students to learn information at a time and place that is most convenient for them.
Another form of technology that has now been a staple within math classrooms is Desmos. Desmos, as you can see here, is a graphing calculator that is a great resource for visualizing math concepts, including but not limited to geometry, algebra, functions, calculus, probability, and many others. Desmos is also compatible with Google Classroom, allowing you to connect both classrooms to assign activities and check on student progress, just like how you would with Google Classroom or Google Docs. In addition, Desmos has a lot of different fun activities, challenges, and problems that students can tackle. This form of hands-on learning can be very interesting for students because they're not sitting in the classroom, but really modifying the graphs or the functions themselves, and can allow them to take actions and really challenge themselves. So an example of this is Marble Slide, which I've shown here, which is a fun activity where students have to collect stars by making specific graphs. So for example here, if I press launch, these marbles will land right down. However, if I change this function, then when I launch this, the marbles will hit all the stars, and then you'll be able to solve the challenge. And this can be very rewarding for students who are now working on these problems by themselves and not relying on the textbook, but really trying to challenge themselves.
Thank you for watching the video.